Matamaan mo lang ako.
How do we get past this wall?
Maybe there's a door, but we just can't see.
Hirapan ka tuloy.
Tanggalin mo nga yan, upo yan dyan.
Tumuo.
Can help us see invisible things, like a secret
O, naipit ng kung kasi yung paa niya.
Come on,
Tulong ka dito.
don't put our goggles on.
Ayaw.
and see if we can see it.
Ayaw magpagalaw. Napakasungit eh.
Now, do you see a secret door?
Ayaw magpagalaw.
Yes,
Dap,
there it is.
Daphne.
Oh my!
Baka maldita, damot.
Ah!
O, sige.
Come on, team. Let's keep looking.
Kaya bangin. Yan paa mo, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung paa mo. Oh, matamaan ka. Oh.
Bigay mo daw yan sa kanya.
Ayan, tinamaan yan.
Prince's
Oh.
glitter paint here too.
And two more party hats. They're easy and easy.
Ang cute niya kanina, siksik eh.
Let me see now. We found 11 party hats, so we gotta find one more.
One more.
One more.
Well, it looks like
Catch,
one of
catch.
our party hats left
Catch.
to be snapped.
Give it to nanay.
Just look at all these banana peels.
Thank you. Give it to nanay.
Big
Thank you.
Ay, damot.
Give it to nanay.
Why is everybody looking at me? My shoes aren't that big.
Ay,
Ay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Teka.